Freight run. Was he had a bubble? But yeah, it's official. Harbor Freight is definitely the Walmart of tools. You go in there for one. I just came for a ratchet wrench. That's it. So all I came for was a 3/8 impact $100 ratchet. Oh, damn, I didn't know she had all this stuff back here. I'll put mine on the back seat. But yeah, ended up with a tool cart, screwdriver, the impact I came for. The ratchet I came for, lights. Hercules got me by the ball. Okay, had to start all over. I felt like the one drawer cart wasn't enough. After you seen me build it all yesterday, I'm quite sure Harbor Freight ain't mine, a fully built cart. But this the battery I was complaining about yesterday. They tried to cheat me out of. So I went back to my home store and they got it right for me. This right here I already had, but I had the last year version, which is actually stronger. But they had another battery deal, so I took it back to be slick and bought a new one that come with the battery deal. So I got an extra battery for basically that one was $16 more than my old one. So basically I got the 2023 tool and the battery for $16. I bought that bit driver set yesterday because I said it had the free battery that come with an extra free battery, that one, and the charger. So now I got two chargers since I got all the stuff. And I forgot to buy the bits for it, so that I was supposed to use that to put the cart together, but I didn't have that, so I had to get that. And I just picked those up because I always gotta have some picks for getting old hoses off. And the parts order tray was $3, and it was by the counter, so why not? Alright, about to get to it. About to finally use that drill from last night to put this cart together, which should be a lot easier. Pretty much the same, but a lot easier. I'll put y'all on once the progress starts. Guess I can do an unboxing too as well. Pretty nice. Nice, good quality. I like everything about it. Like I said, I wasn't worrying about the 55 pounds. The last one had 550 pounds of torque. I'm not worrying about that because I got the Ultra Torque. But this was newer, and I got another new battery with it. So, there we go. Why would you want to see me open a battery? But there we go. Fresh and crispy. Burning 5 amp hours. Fresh and crispy, 2.5 amp hours. Real nice quality. I like first gen stuff. This stuff is good. This is what I need for the screwdriver that I forgot to buy. because he was cheating me with my battery. I had to go to my home store to get this. They did it for me, no problem. Two bits fell out. Alright, put you back on when I start putting it together. It's alright. I didn't know it did all this. Nice firm case. Look like it'll last for a while. Slide and lock. There you go. Just got done with the wheel part. Alright, got the base down. Rolling all the wheels. And the legs, isn't it? Now slide the card on. I'll get back with you. I'm at this level.
What that's gonna do?
Just gotta put the box on.
No on top.
So where we at? I'm about to put the cart on top right now.
Valve train is starting to quiet down.
There you
I
go.
hear exhaust coming out somewhere.
It's finished.
Back here. I don't even know where. But that must have...
Sure made a mess of the house. But there you go. It's all the trash from the 2 cart. About to load all my tools up, see how it fit. Put you back on in a minute. Way too good for what I'm doing. I got some stuff coming in the mail to fill it up. Got some ratchet wrenches. And I gotta get the screwdriver set from Harbor Freight. Got another deep socket coming. Oh, that looks so good. I got a couple more batteries on the charger right now. This is the High Torque 2023 mid Torque 2023 driver, screwdriver, impact. I don't know how long these lights been out. And that's the 3/8 ratchet. I'm gonna get the extended reach too. That's what I was trying to get, but they didn't have it. So I'll just have both when I'm ready to come back and stop. Got that big boy. That big boy costed more than all of these tools besides that one. I got it when I got that one. Cause I'm like, if that's the best of the best, I want the best of the best battery. I ain't get no 8s because if I'm gonna pay that money for the 8, I'm gonna get the 12. These two came free with this two and the one I took back. I got those with the promotion, just kept the battery. This one came with a 2 amp, and I got this free for buying that. And I bought the 4 amp 12 volt to go with that. I'm gonna get 2 more when I get the extended reach, so I can have both of them with a charged battery and a backup. Down there, I got my tool bag, zip ties, other little stuff like that, and I'm gonna put the chargers back down there when I'm done. Oh, the main thing I turned y'all back on for is, if you pay attention to the final completion, I forgot this damn handle. I had to take all this stuff back off to put the handle on. Then I put them up here the first time, had to take it all back off again to put it on the right way. So now we're 100% fully complete. Don't mind the mess. And that's my unboxing and review of Harbor Freight's tools, U.S. General box, and Hercules tools. Next video, I'll probably show y'all the tools in action. Hopefully I'll be outside fixing on my car.